see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're going to be showing you guys a bunch of boxes. As you guys saw in the thumbnail, I got a bunch of things to get through, and I do want to say that if you would enjoy more of these unboxings, get this video to 250 to 300 likes and we will do more big unboxings like this. I just got to know that you guys are enjoying it in order for me to go ahead and keep spending my money for you guys to see and you guys to enjoy. If you enjoy, slap a like on it, subscribe if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Come on bro, just subscribe. Like, I'm not begging you, but yo, like, you've been watching the channel, you've been coming back, just hit the subscribe button, bro. Like, there's not that much to it besides hitting a red button that looks like a box logo. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. I do want to say that in the world right now there is so much going on, and I want to do my part in order to be able to help. So I did team up with this company that actually sent me over some masks. I know that people are selling masks like crazy, but what I do like about this company is that when you decide to buy some masks, they actually match whatever you buy and donate the same amount, which is actually pretty sick in my opinion. If you guys are interested in checking them out, I will leave their link at the top of the description for you guys to go ahead and check out some masks. We need them anyways, so might as well buy some for yourself, and at the same time you can go ahead and donate to some people who are in need. There's just so much going on right now that if I can do this to help somebody out there who needs it, I might as well do it. They're like triple layered if I'm not mistaken, which is CDC approved, so make sure you go ahead and check out these masks in the top of the description and just help out, bro. You're helping yourself and helping the next man as well. So to be honest, I really don't even know where to start. I'm gonna just start grabbing shit from the top and work our way to the bottom where that last package is. Right here we got our first package. This one isn't even anything too serious. We do have two stickers, a Supreme box logo in the back, and then here we actually have some Hanes tees. Definitely much needed. You already know you need to stack up on the Supreme Hanes tees. This is something that you just need on a day-to-day basis. Like, come on bro, can't go wrong with the Hanes tees. Definitely a vibe. I'd recommend anybody to go ahead and buy these, to be honest. First pickup was these Hanes tees. We also have this package right here. Ooh, we actually have a lot of stickers in this one. This is the Daniel Johnston week. You got the frog sticker, this sticker right there, and then you have a regular box logo. In this one we do have the frog beanie. I'm gonna go ahead and open this one for you guys, but I don't know if I'll end up keeping it. Quite honestly, since I can close it back up, I'll open it. This beanie is actually pretty cool. It says I know Supreme on the front. Then on the back you have that Supreme branding right there. This is from the store actually, so it does have that store tag on it. Pretty clean beanie in general. Definitely a vibe. We have this package which has two Supreme stickers in it. It also does have this tee which is low-key a banger, bro. This one is the Supreme TNF World Tee. I'm gonna go ahead and crack it open for you guys. I did get this in my size, the black colorway, which is pretty clean. Probably my favorite in general. I'm gonna crack this open in the cleanest way possible so I can slide it back in here, because I don't know if I'm gonna end up keeping this one. Definitely is a fire tee, don't get it twisted. You got that Supreme box logo right at the bottom with the North Face branding right there as well. In this one you basically have like this world. This was also a relief tee, so the money was donated to COVID victims if I'm not mistaken. There's nothing on the back of this one, but definitely a clean piece to just look at. You got the whole world, then the two logos. Kept it simple, but definitely does the job. So we actually do have a package that was sent out to me by Lakenzie. This is a brand that sells some pretty high quality products, so I do want to go ahead and showcase them on the channel. We have a couple pieces that I do want to show you, so I'm gonna take these out real quick and we'll go ahead and get straight to it. In this first package we do have Lakenzie on the branding right there. As you can see, these are the painter denim. I'm gonna take them out the bag for you, but these definitely are a vibe, bro. Take these out the package. You got that like paint splatter going throughout them, but it's a little subtle. Definitely clean on this pair of denim. They do have some slight rips in the knees. Great for the summertime, springtime. Great quality. They have some stretch to it, so it's not like you're stuck in your pants, if that makes sense. I will put my personal promo code right here for you guys to go ahead and check them out if you are interested in any of the pieces I'm going to show you. Next up we got one of my favorites, and it looks like I haven't wore them, but trust me, I definitely have. These are fire, bro. I couldn't even wait to wear these shits. These are like the cargo cargo shorts. They have like this beige pocket, the beige lining on the top. They have almost like this lace lock tightening system. You have drawstrings at the bottom if you like it a little bit tighter down there. Clean ass pair of shorts. I feel like for the summer you just can't go wrong with these. That main black with that beige color goes with pretty much everything, and the quality on these, once again, bro, is insane in my opinion. We got this other pair of shorts right here, which is like an inside out kind of vibe. You got this pocket which is on the outside, but it's meant to be on the inside. Definitely clean. This gives me like Rick Owen vibes. One thing I do feel like is that it should have like beige drawstrings. It will definitely make the shorts pop out a lot more. You can always go ahead and change that. I feel like these shorts right here go with anything. And for the summertime, this is French terry cotton, so they feel amazing in my opinion. Probably one of my favorite shorts in the collection. Besides those beige and black joints, they're killing it over there at Lakenzie, and I definitely do recommend you guys to use my promo code. Check their website out. It's gonna be in the description. Fire pair of pants, crazy. We also do have the Instax right here. These are for your Polaroid camera. It doesn't really say much, but it has the sup right there. Instax on the top, as you can see, it's just a regular 10-pack of Instax. I did manage to get 2 of them, which is a vibe. I feel like I definitely will be using 1 pack of these and just holding one, because I feel like it's something that's actually probably never gonna come out again. So it's pretty clean. The actual picture does have a box logo on it. I'll try to throw a picture of it somewhere right here, but definitely a vibe when it comes to the Instax. I feel like this is something that I'll end up using whenever I go on vacations or something. Just take like a really sick ass picture with one of these Supreme Instax. Fire piece to have in the collection. We have another package, more Supreme box logo stickers. This is the Supreme frog tee right here. I don't know if I'm gonna end up keeping this one. Now that I'm really looking at it, I don't know if I'll end up wearing it or keeping it. But this navy colorway is definitely fire in itself. I love the little logo. I just don't know if it's my cup of tea. It says Daniel Johnston right here at the bottom. I know Supreme with the little frog logo. This is the frog tee, size XL. If you guys would like me to raffle this one, just go ahead and let me know. This is in the navy colorway. Pretty clean, but I just feel like it's not for me. The frog tee right here. If you guys are still watching this video, make sure you go ahead and slap a fat like. If you would enjoy more big unboxings like this, make sure you get this video to 250 likes, and I promise you guys I'll bring you guys more big ass unboxings. Just hit the like and subscribe, bro. I'm not asking for too much. This one is actually some heat, bro. I feel like I've been cooking up slightly here and there, you know, on something besides Supreme, and it is this pair of Jordans right here, size 10 on the label. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the lid open for you guys, and here we do have the Flint 13s. This pair of sneakers is bananas, bro. I'm gonna pull these out the box. This is a pair of sneakers I've wanted for ever so long. As you can see, I already opened this shit. These are hard. We're gonna get into these. Just give me a sec. These Flint 13s are crazy, bro. Just look at the details. You got that 3M padded blue right there. Definitely clean. I feel like the quality on these is insane. You got that tongue right there that has that little Carolina baby blue color. If you can see, you got the little pod on the back that has the little 23 in it. So fire. The little Jumpman in there as well. This is actually 3M. On the previous pair that they released, they didn't do the 3M on it, but I feel like this is closer to the OG. I love it, honestly. You got that little gray right there at the bottom. All the way on the sole, you have that carbon fiber. You have the little Jumpman bubble, and then you got the bottom, which is low-key the best part of the 13s. This is just a clean ass pair of sneakers. I feel like with a pair of sweats or anything cozy, this is it right here. This is just a sneaker that you can't miss out on. This, the Bread 13s, and the He Got Games are probably my favorites. Overall, clean ass sneaker nonetheless. Probably one of my favorite pickups in this video. Major shout out to Foot Action for letting me get through on these right here. This pickup was the Jordan 13 Flints. We have a couple more things to go over, and then we're straight up out the building. One of them being a package that actually got sent over by a brand called OK That Sucked. They said they wanted to send me some items, and I was like, hey, I'm always down to show love to up and coming brands. Like, if I have a platform that can go ahead and help your brand out, why not go ahead and do it? So I said, yo, screw it. This is the goodbye tee, if I'm not mistaken. You got like this little smiley face with some splatter on it. Then it says goodbye at the bottom, and it says OK That Sucked. But the quality of it kind of reminds me of a Supreme tee, FTP tee in a way. It does kind of feel even softer than that. Do have their tag on it, the OTS right there. Clean. You guys know how much I love graffiti. It does have that goodbye on it. We do got another piece that they did send me, and it is this like Cash Money tee, it looks like. I'm I'm gonna go ahead and pop this straight out. We do have like this okay that sucked Cash Money Records type tee right here on the front. I definitely feel like this is a little bit more subtle and something that I would wear, especially in summertime, because it's like fresh. It doesn't feel like a super thick cotton that's just gonna have you sweating balls. I actually am a fan of this piece. Shout out to Okay That Sucked for sending out these pieces. Definitely shout out to you guys for supporting the channel. And here we have a success story. If you guys been seeing the channel, you already know that I was able to cook up on something lit not that long ago. This package out of the box, but we do got some heat in here that I do want to show you. First of all, you do got this FTP sticker in the orange with the red fire to begin with. Then we got two more pieces that I'm actually super excited to see in person. We're gonna start this one really light with this FTP yo-yo. Shit is fire, bro. This is one of the things that when I saw the drop, I'm like, yo, that's so fire, bro. You got that FTP on a yo-yo, bro. Come on. Definitely one of my favorite pieces that I saw release. Shout out to the FTP yo-yo. I'm gonna have a whole bunch of fun with that later. We do have another piece of FTP right here. I don't know if I'll end up keeping this, but low-key, I don't really have any FTP logo stuff, so I might end up keeping it. Who knows? I did get my size in it. This is the upside down logo tee. It's just a simple FTP branding on the front. You got that little FTP logo. Then when you flip to the back, you got that upside down FTP. Shit is fire, bro. I love how that white pops on the black. It's just a simple logo on the front, FTP right there. Then the back is looking lit as ever. Definitely a fire piece, and I will probably end up keeping this one. This is my first FTP logo tee. I feel like it's only right if I do keep it. Now we're gonna get into the final item for this video, the Big Mama. Let me know if you guys do end up enjoying this video. Just slap a like on it if you would like more content like this. I had a huge variety of stuff in this video, from Supreme to Jordan to low-key brands, just a whole bunch of shit. But right here we got the final item, which is the FTP 10-year anniversary jacket. When I saw G Herbo wearing this jacket, I'm like, bruh, shit is heat. Shit is heat. I knew I had to have this, and honestly, I don't even know if I'm gonna end up keeping it. I'm gonna keep it funky with y'all. This shit is going for bread right now, so I don't know what's about to happen with it. This shit is fire, bruh. It got the leather sleeves on this bitch. I didn't even know it had leather sleeves. It got all the years that FTP has been out. On the front, you got that FTP branding, huge as ever, in the chenille kind of like stitched on vibe right there. It says 10 fucking years on the front. Does it have anything on the back? Yes, it does. Another huge FTP spell out. This shit is crazy. You got that 1020 star on the side. It says buy some ups for some ups, slight bars, huge vibe. This jacket is crazy, bruh. This shit is crazy. I don't know if I'm gonna end up keeping this one though. It got that FTP all on the inside. I feel like it's only right if I throw it on for you real quick. This is hard. Low-key, I might have to keep this one. Yeah, this ain't going nowhere. The more I wear it, the less I'm gonna want to let it go. This is fire. So I feel like it's only right if I end the video in this jacket. Shit is fire. Slap a like on this video if you did enjoy. Shit is fire. Slap a like on this video if you did enjoy. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.